Joe to try the Michelin Guide Kway Chap, which is a very popular dish that it originated from southern China and now is introduced here in Thailand and has been a very popular dish since the beginning of time. So I'm super excited because this restaurant has won Michelin Guide for around 3 years, from 2019 to this current year. So yeah, I've never tried anything like Kway Chap, so I'm kind of looking forward to it. And before we do, don't forget to click like, share and subscribe. Let's go. Inside the restaurant right now and we are going to order. So look at the menu right here, Mr. Joe. We have one signature item, which is the Kway Chap, also known as clear Chinese soup with crispy pork and pork entails. So there's a lot of things inside the soup, inside the thing. There are like Chinese pasta squares, crispy pork, pork meat, stomach, liver, kidney, heart, lung, spleen, tongue, and other things. I'm not sure what they are, but yeah, there are a lot of things inside. And also we have ordered the dim sum, which is also quite good here. So we have the crab one, we have shrimp dumplings, we also have this steamed pork buns, also called as sarapao. So this is like the dim sum menu that we've ordered along with our Kway Chap. So I'm excited and I'm kind of nervous to try. Never tried so much at the same bowl. So okay guys, so we have our dish, which is known as Kway Chap. Usually like the noodles are really different. It's very difficult to, oh, never mind, I'll just pick up with a spoon. So this is what the noodles look like. If you can see it. Yeah, so basically these are like those flat noodles. They usually wrap it into like a roll for us to eat. And here we have chicken, pork meat, right? Then we have crispy pork. I can see there are pork intestines as well. I'm kind of scared to try that. We have liver here. I'm scared of this. And we have other parts of the pig's body here as well. So there's a lot to eat and see here. So I'm gonna start with something basic like the noodles and maybe some crispy pork. Okay, take a bite. Very salty. Like the crispy pork has a really like strong salty flavor. The soup, the broth is very like, I think it's cooked with the entails of the pork for like a long time, so it's like really flavorful. I can get taste of the pork fat in this, which is good. What else to try? I'm gonna try this pork meat. Looks very unique. Quite flavorful. Wow, I really like this. Very satisfying. They've also put a lot of black pepper in it, so it touches the throat, which is really nice. I feel like I can eat this whenever I'm not well and I need something hearty, like a hearty meal. It's nice. I'm gonna try the intestines. I don't know if it's gonna taste good, but I'll try. Take some soup. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Not bad. Wait. Very chewy. I don't like the texture, but it's actually, the flavor is not bad. It's quite good. Nice overall. Okay guys, so now I'm going to try the dim sum, like the sides. So we're going to start with the crab dim sum, which is like yellow, like outing with the crab meat filled inside. So as you can see, it looks like this. I'm going to take some, put it in the soy sauce, just dip it a little bit. Wow. It's kind of sweet. I don't know, it's a mixture of this, of like the sweetness of the crab with a bit of like sour punch that's coming from, sour salty punch that's coming from the sauce, which is the soy sauce. So overall, it's a good combination. I really liked it. So I'm going to try the shrimp dumpling now. It looks really cute. Okay, quite sticky. I'm gonna dip this. Okay. The filling is very smooth. It's very, a little bit of sweetness as well. Very well seasoned, and I don't feel any chunks of shrimp. It's just like really smooth paste, and the outer part is very sticky. It's sticking to the side of my my mouth. But overall, with the sauce, it tastes really, really nice. I would definitely recommend you guys to try dim sum. If not here, anywhere, it's like a really good snack. And now in the end, I'm going to try Thai Chinese steamed buns, also known as sarapao. These are like a Chinese snack that is also incorporated here in Thailand. So take a bite of this. The filling inside is red pork, udang. So let's go. Wow. This is delicious. The inside just tastes like curry, very flavorful. A little bit of sweetness as well in this one. The bread, the outer bun is very sweet, and the inside it tastes like curry. Really good combination. Okay guys, so I'm done with my meal and I had a really good experience. It was a quite different meal from before. Like I've never tried any like of the pork entails other than the normal pork meat or pork liver, which I don't really like. I've never tried any other like parts of the pig before, which is quite different in this soup. So it's quite nice, and yeah, like the dim sums I think were my favorite. Like they had a different flavor to each and every one of them, which is good. So yeah, I had a good experience. Would I come all the way to this particular restaurant for this dish? Not really. It wasn't that amazing, but it was quite good. And yeah, I can tell you where this is located if you want to ever, you know, try Michelin guide Kway Chap. It is actually located in Soi Chan 44. It is quite easy to get here. You can always take the BTS all the way to Saphan Taksin station, get down, take a motorbike or taxi, tell them to come to Soi Chan 44, and you will see it's not a very like big restaurant. It's quite a normal size, but I think you can see Mr. Joe Kway Chap written outside in the store, so you know where to get. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I had a good time, and don't forget to click like, share and
subscribe.
bye.